people, we're gonna open up my Jeffree Star today from our summer sale. So we're gonna take out our stuff. We also got this little envelope. So we got the cute little shorts. I got 2 different sizes. I believe 2XL, which is for me, and XL, which is a gift. So it's a really beautiful color. I hope this fits me. But I figured better big than small. It's really pretty.
Oh, okay.
It's really long. I like that. It's kind of long.
I don't think you postpone it till tomorrow.
Got some cool thing right here. It's a mirror. So this is the green glitter.
I didn't understand that. Again, just say battery service, flat tire, out of gas, I'm locked out,
Piggy.
tow my car, or it's something else. So,
There's
just
some
say
shimmer
battery
in there.
service,
It's
or
cute.
press 1. To fix your flag, say representative.
So we got the cannery one.
To learn how we collect and use your information, this is a privacy link.
Pretty is this bright yellow leaf. This is the soft touch. So pretty. Okay, we got another one here. This is, it looks like the peach chrome color.
Let me just verify this information. Is the phone ending in 3364 still the best to reach you tomorrow?
Yes, that's right. So pretty.
And is the address on Arrow Highway where we're picking?
This one's thirsty. Oh, this must be the popsicle.
And did you get a discount and upgrade on a rental car through Hertz or Enterprise? Do you need help with that?
No, thank you.
Okay, and you'll have
How
photo
pretty
ID
is
to show
this?
the driver?
Yes.
They'll be from Jan's Towing or Independent?
First of all. And then we got the pink chrome, baby pink chrome. Wow, that one looks
Right now,
cute.
we'll go stop by.
There's a cute little sticker on it. My JeffreeStarCosmetics.com unboxing.